done. Hear me I say. Bad mind, yo, them bad mind, yo, them bad mind, yo, them bad mind, yo.
Yeah, hear me I say now. Yeah, I the one done this, yeah. Yeah, I mean I say yo, me hear them a chat about Gaza fans of the alkaline views. Me no believe that a bumbo clad. Why some of them people not stop spread pussy clad rumor? Eh? Alkaline have more fans too. Because they have more fans. Why don't have to mix up Gaza and alkaline city? I got me I say. Some of them people where I make people tell people to subscribe to them channel. Some of them is bumbo and fuckery and I spread some false fucking news. You understand me? I want to stop mix up cartel name and the Gaza fans and some fuckery rasta. I want to some man. I want to go man. I know someone who try to hold on cartel and don't talk good about cartel, you know red cartel. You know that. But man a Gaza fans. I don't make it look like say the Gaza fans them a switch to vendetta. Bad man now switch. No bumbo clad switch to no vendetta. You see what I say? Music and music, yes, red alkaline, red cartel more. So what I say? So fuck all that uno. We are talking about Gaza fans of the alkaline views. That is fuckery. And stop it and stop spread bad news. I'm the bumbo clad uno. I the one done.